Welcome. In front of me is a Poco C40, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will need to turn off the device, so hold power key and select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. And once you see the Poco logo on the screen, you will then let go of just the power key. You want to keep holding volume up. And when you see the recovery mode, you can let go of the volume up as well. Now in here, you can see there is safe mode, but pressing on it doesn't do anything, so you need to use the volume keys in order to select it, and then confirm it with power key. And as you can see now, the device finally booted up. It is in safe mode, which you can see right here at the bottom. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off in order for you to be able to troubleshoot your device. And I can't really show any kind of apps that wouldn't work here. Usually they are visible on the home screen as a semi-transparent gray dot, and some phones turn them off in the app tray, which looks to be the case right here. Now, once you're done with the safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, simply hold power key and from there select reboot. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.